friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how we can add visit charges to the customer account and some new features. So just have a look. So from the master setup, I will go to the setting. So from here I have added field visit charge, that is 200. So this is nothing but the recovery charges. Now I will go to the HR management access control list. So here is the Vikas is the employee of the company. So I have given some access to the Vikas. Now let's go to the Vikas profile and just log in. So this is Vikas profile employee and I will go to the field collection loan collection list. So here you can see one customer Shruti Rao, loan number 6. So if I click to the follow up, here you can see that 200 is the visit charges we have added from the master setup. We can edit these charges from here also. So I will just add visit charges from here and we can just upload documents for this account. So field visit proof we can upload from here. So I will just browse and just visit charge proof I will just upload. So click to the upload and upload all files. So I have uploaded this. Now let's go to the main account, admin, login, and now I will just search that loan number 6 from the search bar. So here you can see 200 we have added as a visit charge. And if I go and check the fees and penalty column, here also you can see 200 we have added as a penalty as a visit charge. This is nothing but the penalty. So if I go and check the follow-up list, so here you can see field visit charges 200 we have added and date time also updated from the follow-up list. And if I go and check the transaction, here also you can see we have added fee 200 for this customer loan account and the installment tracker we have added 200 for this account. So this type we can add visit charges and we can upload documents also for the proof as a proof. So if I search this customer F-1 from the search bar and click to the documents, so I will check it out for these documents, but we have added the, if I go to the passbook and check, so this much accounts the customer has and you can see the penalty list also from here. So if I go to the status report and penalty list and just refresh from here, so you can see that loan number 5 we have added 200 and loan number 6 also we have added 200. So this type we can manage our loan accounts, deposit accounts in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.